fourth blog in a series of 6 from Mys-Teak Hardwoods. My name is Robert. Previous blogs have covered teak grading, quality plantation growth management, and teak characteristics. Today we want to talk about working with teak, cutting it, planing, gluing, and sanding. Teak varies in color according to origin, so try to buy all the boards you need from the same source so that you can get a uniform look on the teak, especially if you need to join multiple boards together into a panel. We source our woods from 2 main plantations that are geographically close together, so you will see similar patterns in each piece that you use from us. Working with teak. Teak will dull blades more quickly than many other woods, so it is best to use carbide-tipped blades if you are going to mill in large volumes, especially volumes over about 100 board feet. The dulling of the blades is not because the teak is a hardwood, but because it of a combination of the preservative natural teak oils and high silica content that gives the quality teak its reputation for durability and pest resistance. It is easy to plane and joint teak, and it slides easily due to its oily feel. It rips and crosscuts easier than oak and is very fine in a router, but again will dull the bits over time. When drilling holes in the wood, use a high-speed bit to ensure a clean hole. You can carve it easily with sharp chisels and with a mallet. It is excellent for dovetailing because it doesn't easily crush, and properly milled and dried, teak is not prone to splitting or checking, and with also very minimal cupping. When you start sanding, you will need to stop periodically to clear the dust away, which is slightly tacky due to the oils of the fibers. So you might want a stiff brush handy. Otherwise, teak sands to a beautiful, slightly shiny finish with a fine grit sandpaper. Again, this is due primarily to all the oil in the teak. The natural oils help polish the surface. Some people are sensitive to teak dust, so if you have allergy sensitivities, you may want to use a simple cloth breathing mask when sanding. Gluing teak. Epoxy works best for large areas, and for smaller areas, 2 excellent choices that we use frequently are Titebond 2 or 3 and Gorilla Glue. All of these products are easily purchased in any major hardware or woodworking store. If the wood has been freshly cut and is clean, then the direct application of the glue is fine. If the surface feels oily or has been oiled in the past, then scrub the areas to be joined with acetone and then let it dry. If you have any questions about the use or properties of teak, including plantation teak, or if you are in the industry looking for a quality alternative to a legally cut or questionable chain of custody old growth Burmese teak, drop us a line here at Mys-Teak, or alternatively, check us out on the web at www.mysteak.com. Thank you. Have a great woodworking day, and please leave any comments you have below. And if it helps you, please give us a big thumbs up as well.